Hey, it's me, Sasha. I'm gonna be doing a puppet show. No, don't touch. Hello. Hello, my name's Mrs. Puppet. I'm Mr. Puppet.
I like eating Sasha's stuff.
I don't. I think it's really rude. You are a really, really bad person. I feel like biting you, but I can't because I have no teeth. I'm pissed. How can you eat Sasha's food, Sasha's stuff, if you can't even eat anything?
Because I have strong mouth.
I don't understand you. I don't know why I married you.
Be quiet, lady. I am not your wife.
What do you mean? Be quiet. I'm leaving. Slams the door.
Well, it just leaves me, Mr. Puppet.
Dun dun dun. Ooh, I found these glasses. Would you like them? Here you go. Try them on. They look nice, but me want to eat. Eat. No. Well, I'm putting them away right here. And if you eat them, mister...
You can't tell me what to do.
Well, I'm leaving. Thanks. Well, I'm leaving, okay? I am leaving. Hold on. Okay, well, I'm leaving. Thank you. Slams door. Yum, 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 yum. Glasses, I need help. I don't want to help. Yum, 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 yum. I'm back. Hi. You smell like plastic.
I know. You can't tell me what to do, though. Bye.
Wait right there.
What? I didn't do anything. Bye.
Wait! Get over here.
What did I do?
What did you do? I'm looking for my glasses, and you have them.
I don't have them. You do. Now be quiet, lady. I'm leaving, okay? I am leaving forever. I'm leaving forever.
You can't leave me here. I will kill you. You are staying right here. Where do you go? Where? Where? Uh-oh. Where did he go? Where?
I'm right here. I'm just a regular hat, but I told you I wasn't from your country or anything.
Oh, you are really mean. Goodbye to you, sir, too.
Goodbye to you.
And they lived kinda happily ever after. Thanks for watching. Peace out, Girl Scouts.